Hi, my name is Lillian and I'm with Expert Village. Today I'm going to talk about and demonstrate do-it-yourself home pedicures. What is a pedicure? A pedicure is maintenance for your feet and your toes and your toenails. They've become so popular these days due to a lot more fancier shoes, open-toed shoes, sandals in the summer, and women just want their feet to look good. Doing it yourself is a lot less expensive than going and having it done professionally. With the price that you pay getting it done professionally, you could go to your local discount store, convenience store, or even beauty supply stores that are open to the public and buy your supplies that'll last you for months and months with the price that you're going to pay for just one single pedicure. So my next segment, I'll show you the supplies you need and we'll get started.